Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asad Yaqub and once again I welcome you from Nathia Gali. This is very close to Murree, Islamabad, and Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. It's beautiful over here. You can see the clouds and the clouds are like smoke here, and it's perfect weather over here. It's not very cold, but it's very pleasant, and I'm making Ielts video for you. You see, I'm among the nature, and all around me there are beautiful pine trees. Then there are the birds chirping, clouds, and it's awesome here. Anyways, guys, I welcome you to this series of IELTS reading. Although I've made a lot of videos on IELTS reading, but still you are requesting me to make more videos on reading, so here I am with IELTS reading video. And in this video I'm going to cover all the question types of IELTS. As you know, in IELTS we have around 16 types of questions. By the way, many of you would not know about that. There are 16 types of questions which come in IELTS exam repeatedly, and once you know about these 16 type of questions, you can practice them, you can master them, and then you can get your desired bench score as well. So I'm going to start with the first type of questions, that is sentence completion. Let me tell you, for sentence completion, it's just like fill in the blanks. Sometimes in reading, there are some sentences with blanks and you have to complete. And by the way, sentence completion type of questions are, where there are the blanks in the form of sentences. Sometimes these blanks are in the form of notes as well. So you have to see whether it is sentence completion sentences or sentence completion notes, but the strategies are same. Then we do have sentence completion in summaries and all that. So sentence completion type is very important. And by the way, there's another thing. Many of you keep asking me, sir, you should tell us whether we should read the questions first or the passage first, or what type of questions are there where we should read the question first and then go to the passage, or what type of questions are there where we need to read the passage and then go to the questions and all that stuff, right? So I'm going to tell you that as well. There are 16 videos of this series and you must watch all 16 videos if you want to master IELTS reading. And by the way, these question types are true for academic or general training IELTS. I mean academic and general training. So all of you can watch these videos. So in sentence completion, what you have to do, you have to complete the gaps in the sentences using words from the passage. Now, when they say use the words from the passage, you have to use exactly the same word, no synonym. You have to write the word in the same spelling as it is given, and you have to write the same form of the verb. For example, television. If in the passage they write television, you write television. If in the passage they write TV, you write TV. So you got to follow that as well. Now, answers are in passage order. Good news for you. And by the way, this is how you guys can make your action plan as well. I'll make some separate videos on action plan as well. Action plan means how to deal with a certain type of questions. That's what we call action plan. So answers are in passage order. It means first you will find the answer of question number 1, and usually this comes in section 1. Sentence completion usually comes in section 1. So what happens there, you read the question, then you scan the first paragraph of the passage, and usually you find the answer there. So answers are in passage order. Write up to 3 words and or a number. Sentence completion may have 1 word only, or 1 word and or a number, 2 words or no more than 3 words. You need to check spelling with the passage. You need to check grammar of completed sentence. By the way, sometimes you have to do a little alteration in the verb. For example, if the verb that fits is learning, then you should turn learn into learning. So once you've put the word in the blank, then you got to read the sentence again to make sure the word you have written in the blank, does that word match grammatically with that sentence? Okay, so that's another important thing. After that, do not include any unnecessary word like articles and the, some, such, and all that stuff. So do not include any articles. That is also important. Now, let me give you, Asad Yaqub's signature tips for IELTS sentence completion. I would suggest read the question carefully, sentence completion, and where there is the blank, just put a question mark over there, or you can write what. For example, if the question is the yoga classes are offered dash a week. Yoga classes are offered dash a week. Now dash a week tells you it is something like frequency. Once a week, twice a week, thrice a week, 5 days a week and all that. So when you read the question, you got to just in the blank, you got to write what. And then you can understand. Or you can do one thing, convert sentence type question into convert sentence into a interrogative statement. I mean, they've given you a sentence completion, so you can convert it with the help of what. You can convert it into an interrogative statement. That is going to help you find the answer. Then it's going to be easier for you. One thing. Second, in each sentence there's going to be a clue word, and that clue word is very, very important. You got to point out the clue word, what the clue word is, and then you got to come up with some synonyms or some synonymous phrases for that clue word, and then scan those words. Let me tell you, the first question will take time. Once you're done with first question, then you just have to read ahead and you'll find the answers. Read ahead and you'll find the answers. Read ahead and you will find the answers. That's not going to be very difficult for you. So this is how you need to deal with the sentence completion question type. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I run another channel, Asad Yaqub Vlogs. You can subscribe to that channel as well. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, you can contact me for that. My WhatsApp number is given. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best from this beautiful area which is called Namri Mera. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.